All right, I got to get going. I got to get to work. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Hey, Yat Ebene. Good morning, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo word of the day is going to be government shutdown. To say that in Navajo, you would say Wáshindoon binaanish hódoonííł. Wáshindoon binaanish hódoonííł. Government shutdown. How this word breaks down is Wáshindoon, of course, means the government. Binaanish means its workings. Hódoonííł means it'll come to a stop. To use it in a sentence, you probably have to use a longer sentence, such as Náhálgaiídi, adeí ńdinibi hígíí, béeso nináádaalnish dooleełígíí, Wáshindoon nináádaalnish dooleełígíí, bich'i nda'doolyééłígíí, ádin dooleeł, ńda'doolyééł Wáshindoon binaanish hódoonííł. And what that means is, if the Senate does not agree on a spending bill, the government will shut down. And that is today's Navajo word of the day. Wáshindoon binaanish hódoonííł. Government shutdown. Have a nice day.